How we doing, YouTube? That's right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages. We've got something new today from SOG. Stay tuned after we roll that intro, and hopefully you can't really read that too well, because I don't want you seeing what it is. So let's roll the intro and get into it. Alright guys, as you saw by that intro, today we are going to take a look at something by SOG called the Salute. I know, something a little different, something from SOG. We haven't had too much of their stuff on the channel. Gonna have to rectify that. But there it is, the SOG Salute. I got it in the black. It is available in like a silvery version. I don't know why the black one costs a little bit more than the silver, but we'll get into that in a moment. As we usually do, here's a quick rundown on the stats. It's got an overall length of 8.25 inches. Closed, it's 4.63. And the blade is 3.624. I don't know why they have to take it out that far. Just like 3.6 would be fine, but you know, whatever. It's got a weight of about 4.2 ounces, so it has a little heft for a folder. You're going to feel it sitting in your pocket. Now, the blade steel is 8CR13 MOV with a Rockwell rating of 56 to 58. Now, they say the blade edge, well, it's straight. I kind of agree. It has that neat little clip point, drop point looking thing there. Now, it does have, and I hope you can see this, it does have a dual thumb stud opening, and it is adjustable. So you can have it all the way back, all the way forward, wherever you want it. Now, this little guy is made in China. I know, lots of things you got there made in China. And oh yeah, like usual with SOG, they write a whole bunch of tech specs on the back. Okay, what I liked was it's got, instead of like a liner lock or a frame lock, it's got the lockback system. From my understanding, those are one of the quote-unquote premier, safer, methods of locking a blade. Now, it does have a reversible pocket clip, so you can carry it left, right, but it's, also low carry, and it's only tip up. Now, just out of curiosity, the centering's not too bad. Now, it does have interesting little texturized G10 scales, and it has, stainless steel frame. And as you saw pretty much on the back over there, the blade finish is done in what they call hard cased black. Now the part I'm really starting to like, let's see how it's like right out of the package. Ooh. That came pretty damn good. Oop, that was on me. That was my fault. Anywho, yeah, no little fuzzies on the blade. Okay, I'm good with that. Now, as we usually do, we take a look at price. This little guy out on SOG will cost you 47 bucks, or a silver blade version of this one is only 40. I was wondering why the $7 difference. There's nothing different between the weight, the stats, the steel, anything other than hard case black. So I guess that's worth another 7 bucks. Over on Amazon, it's going to run you $31.59, but it does qualify for free shipping. The rating on this guy over on SOG's website is 4.5 stars out of 5, and it's got 42 reviews, which made me go, okay, finally, there's a blade getting a bunch of reviews on the manufacturer's website. Now, over on Amazon, it's got a rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars, so they're pretty much the same both ways, but it's got 230 reviews over on Amazon, which is kind of par for the course. If you've looked over any of the knife videos that I've done, they always get much more reviews over on Amazon. Alright guys, I want to know what you think on this quick little overview. Leave your questions, your comments, your hatred, your love, whatever, down below. I'd like to hear what you got to think. Now, if this is one of your first time watching one of my videos, or I should say if this is your first time watching one of mine, I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for taking a couple moments of your day to watch one of my videos. I know there's like a vast content of videos out there on YouTube, And I'm honored you chose one of mine. You're going to see the symbol popping up right down here. Please click on that. That's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you have clicked on subscribe, please make sure to destroy that bell icon that is right next to it. That's going to notify you every time I upload a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, two going to pop up over there. They're going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog of videos, and they think it's going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick little overview on the SOG Salute. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have an incredible day.